It's actually disgustingly beautiful, man. I can't get over the fact that I have one of these now, despite so many times when I was younger just not even thinking that I would ever need to have one or even want to have one. The excitement that I'm feeling right now to unbox this and get it up and running is ridiculous. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Joey Does Tech, and welcome back to a slightly different video to what I would usually put out. Today, I received an item that I've been waiting for a while, and I'm very excited that I now have it. That item, if you haven't read the title, is in fact the Canon EOS 250D. Voila. I thought I'd make a really quick video of just me unboxing it for my first ever camera. I've never owned a camera before other than having the camera on my mobile phone. So we're gonna open this on camera because I can't contain my excitement. So this particular bundle that I've got comes with the 250D itself, plus the EFS 18 to 55mm IS STM lens. Don't ask me what all of that means. I believe IS is for image stabilization, but not a Scooby about EFS and STM. Wunderbar. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the box. There was a lot of these going on eBay for a lot less than what I've purchased it for. When I say a lot less, I mean maybe around about 50 to 100 pounds less. But again, they're all pre-owned, they're second-hand. For my first camera, I wanted the fresh, out-of-the-box feeling that just felt like, you know, this is brand new and this is mine from the start. And I'm going to take the utmost best of care of this camera. So we have pretty much the standard leaflet, instruction book thing, as well as your warranty in the box as well, which is pretty cool. All right, this is it, baby. I've never, do you know what? I've actually never ever touched a DSLR, let alone shot with one or, yeah. Okay, so let me put this to the side. The first thing that we're gonna take out is, in fact, oh, I thought that was an American adapter then. Wow, would I have been upset. So we have the plug for it, which is cool. Pretty standard. We've got the batteries. Now the battery itself, I'm pretty sure on the research that I've done with this camera is that it lasts for around about 1,000 or so, maybe possibly even more shots to be taken with the camera. The predominant reason that I've bought this camera and gone with this, it took me so long, honestly. It took me a ridiculous amount of time to finally decide on what camera I was going to go for. I had a choice between the 250D and the more upper class was going to be the 800D. Now, I think the price difference was something along the lines of around about £200 or so, and I just couldn't justify that extra cost for what's going to be my first ever DSLR camera. And I feel like the 250D, from all of the videos that I've watched, fits what I need it to do perfectly. And I'll try and talk you through some of that, but I'm not an expert when it comes to cameras. So the next thing we have is, in fact, the charging case for the battery, which is cool. Oh, okay, so okay, forgive me. So the plug that I had was for the Canon charger, obviously. Okay, so we're gonna go for lens first, all right? I don't know if this is the best way. Really difficult. Okay, so this is the lens. Wow, man, look how much care they take in wrapping this as well. Obviously, it's very, very expensive equipment. So like I said, this is the standard 18 to 55mm lens that it comes with. I've never held a piece of glass, is the term that they use, right? That's what us camera folk use, is that correct? Oh my God, look at it, man. Is that, I don't know what to touch. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's so nice. It even smells good. Let's put that back on. This is the lens. This is the one that I've gone for. Oh my God, I don't want to expose it to any sort of light whatsoever. Right, I'm just gonna put this down. I don't know what way to put it up, you know. Now we focus, we got a nice little Canon strap as well. Is it cool to wear the straps? I don't know, is it cool? If it is, let me know in the comments and I will wear that bad boy like you've never seen anyone wear a strap before. And now we move on to the main piece of technology in this box. It feels really light, dude. It feels really, really light. Okay. Wow, this is crazy. I've never, ever, ever held a camera before. Is that weird? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at it. I don't want to be too like, you know, because they say don't be so fragile with them either, but yeah, I mean, everything that I've touched upon in the videos of watching people who explain how the camera works and why you should get this type of camera or not is, you know, it's true what they say. It's very, very lightweight. It's plasticky on the outside, which gives it that lightweight feel. Oh my god, it's just gorgeous, man. Again, I don't want to expose it to any sort of light whatsoever. I'm gonna be so fragile and careful with it. We obviously have the mic input, which was a very important reason as to why I was looking at this camera specifically. And yeah, it's just budget for budget. I think I paid £560 for the camera, the lens, and also we do have an SD card as well. Now this is only 32 gig. I'm probably gonna run out of that pretty quickly. Even when deleting stuff off, but this camera does actually film in 4K as well. So yeah, the main reason I picked this over the 800D, except for the £200 price difference, is that virtually from everything that I was seeing, they were pretty much identical, except for, I think the 800D actually has 47, I could be completely out, 47 or 49 or even 42 possibly, focus points. However, this only has 9 focus points. And for video, from all the research that I've done across every single YouTube video that I watched, every single bit of documentation that I read, kind of said that it doesn't really matter too much about the autofocus points when recording video. This doesn't actually shoot in 24 frames per second either, which is, from my understanding, is where you get your cinematography look. I think what we're going to be focusing on mainly is 60 FPS at full HD. This camera does support 4K, so I'll be doing some recordings on that as well. The reason I've purchased it, just to give you a quick lowdown, is because I want the quality of my videos to be the best that they can be. And with all of this quarantine stuff going on, I feel like I kind of needed a little bit of a treat. Yeah, I'm just so hyped. Again, my first DSLR camera. It's lightweight, it's compact. The quality from the photos and the videos from what I've seen online is really, really good. And we will definitely be putting it to the test soon. Not in this video, unfortunately, but in the videos to come, we'll be giving this bad boy a hell of a test run. So guys, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel to see more content of mine. I usually make tech videos, hence why I've actually included this video on my channel. And we've got some good things coming up. Soon I'll be taking apart a laptop and putting it back together from scratch without any video help whatsoever. So that's gonna be a fun one. As well as taking a old Nintendo DS out of its shell and putting it into a new shell that I've ordered online. So we've got a couple of decent videos coming up. Oh, and I'm learning how to use a multimeter so I can try and fix my PS1, which previously done a video on and wasn't able to fix. You can see that in the card in the top right hand corner of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Peace.